Hello there. Want to split your purchase into 4 easy payments with no interest? Let me show you how to use Pay in 4 with PayPal. It's quick and easy and super helpful when you're budgeting. Pay in 4 is PayPal's buy now pay later feature. It lets you break a purchase into 4 payments made every 2 weeks with no interest and no fees as long as you pay on time. So how to use Pay in 4? Shop online at a store that accepts PayPal. Now and add items to your cart as usual. Then here head to checkout. When it's time to pay, choose PayPal as your payment option. On the PayPal screen, you will see a pay later option. Tap that, select Pay in 4. Then you will go through a super quick approval process. No credit score impact. If approved, you will see your payment schedule. Your first payment is due right away, then every 2 weeks after that. You some things to know. Minimum purchase usually $30 plus, only available for eligible purchases, and make sure your PayPal account is in good standing. And that's it. That's how you can use Pay in 4 with PayPal to break your payments into manageable chunks. Super easy, right? If this helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know if you have tried Pay in 4 yet.